Let's memorize the modern periodic table in this video in a different and easy way. Dmitry Mendeleev gave the framework of modern periodic table first in 1869 based on atomic mass. Terms like atomic mass, atomic number, protons and neutrons will come here. So what is atomic mass? The total number of neutrons and protons present in the nucleus of an atom of an element forms its atomic mass. Let's say there is a lithium atom. It has 3 neutrons and 3 protons in its nucleus. Hence, its atomic mass becomes 6. Now, what are neutrons and protons? We will study them in detail in another video. For the time being, neutrons and protons are subatomic particles present in the nucleus of an atom. There is one more subatomic particle called electron which revolves around this nucleus. Though Mendeleev's periodic table had some shortcomings, it laid the very strong foundation of the modern periodic table. Modern periodic table is based on increasing atomic number of elements. Atomic number is the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom of an element. As mentioned before, lithium has 3 protons in its nucleus. Therefore, it has 3 as its atomic number. Elements are arranged in S, P, D, F blocks in not so organized manner in the periodic table. On the extreme left, we have S block. On the extreme right is P block, D block in the middle, and down below is F block. A total number of 118 elements have been discovered so far. So let's begin. For the S block elements, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Remember it by the line Hylena, Carab, Cisfer. I repeat, Hylena, Carab, Cisfer. They are called alkali metals and are highly reactive in nature. Next comes alkaline metals. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Remember it by the line Be Makka Sarbara. Again, Be Makka Sarbara. Now under the P block comes different families. For example, the boron family with elements starting from boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, nihonium. So remember the line Balga Intel Nahi. I repeat, Balga Intel Nahi. Then comes carbon family with carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead and flerovium. Remember the line Kashi Gaye, Sant Prabhu and followers. Let's repeat, Kashi Gaye, Sant Prabhu and followers. For nitrogen family with elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth and moscovium. Remember the line, Na paas sabhi in Moscow. Repeat it again, Na paas sabhi in Moscow. And for the oxygen family, having elements like oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, livermorium. Remember the line, Usse tepo love. Again, Usse tepo love. Now comes the halogen family. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, tennessine. Remember the line, free call is best idea at tennis court. I repeat, free call is best idea at tennis court. And finally in the P block comes noble gases. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, oganesson. Always remember the line, hello Nina or Karina, you took Xerox with radon and oganesson. I repeat, hello Nina or Karina, you took Xerox with radon and oganesson. Moving on to the next block, that is the D block, let's try to memorize the first series with elements. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Remember the line, Sakti Vakra Man Fekoni Kujan. I repeat, Sakti Vakra Man Fekoni Kujan. For the next series under this, start from the left and go horizontally till technetium. Yaar zara nibha maut tak. Yaar zara nibha maut tak. And leave it there. For yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum and technetium. Then go for the next series. Start again from the left and go horizontally. La hafta varna until tungsten. La hafta varna. and leave it there for hafnium, tantalum, and tungsten. Further, move vertically for remaining elements in the second and third series for iron, ruthenium, and osmium. Remember the line fake rupee Oswald. I repeat, fake rupee Oswald. For the next elements vertically, remember the word with an accent courier for cobalt, rhodium, and iridium. Moving ahead with nickel, palladium, and platinum, remember the line nahi padega pitega. Nahi padega pitega. Now the coin metals copper, silver, and gold. Remember the line CuAgAu. CuAgAu. Lastly, try and remember zinc, cadmium, and mercury as it is. Zinc, cadmium, mercury. In the last series, under D block comes elements like rutherfordium, dubnium, seaborgium, bohrium, hafnium, meitnerium, tungstenium, rhodium, copernicium. Tongue twister pronunciation, right? Well, we will deal with them later some other time. So let's leave them for the time being. Moving on to the next block, that is F block, the lanthanides. Lanthanum, cerium, presmodium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium. Remember the line, Lady Cadet Proud Representative, ND Personal Secretary, example, granted Hettel. I repeat, Lady Cadet Proud Representative, ND Personal Secretary, example, granted Hettel. And lastly, for the actinides with elements like actinium, thorium, protactium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium, laurentium. Remember the line, act tough and practical you, neptunium and plutonium, American come for baking in cafe with easy FM modulation and no LR. I repeat, act tough and practical, you, Neptunium and Plutonium, American come for baking in cafe with easy FM modulation and no LR. With this, it's a wrap. Hope you found this video interesting. For more such insights, keep watching and keep learning. Thank you for your time.